Hi everyone. Today I wanted to show what is in my freezer that I harvested everything last year from my garden. In the peak season like May, June, July, when there is too much harvest, I store everything in the freezer, and now I'm using it like a squirrel uses nuts in winter. I use them all. This is so good. To open my fridge and see all the food that I grew. Green bell peppers, green peppers. Then I have a lot of peppers because peppers are my favorite. So these are all jalapenos, red one, green ones, and this whole bag. There are some banana peppers that I've mixed. You can see in this bag. Jalapenos, banana peppers that I grew. I grow a lot of peppers because I love them. They are the first ones to start growing early in the season, and they are the last one to survive through the harsh winter and give the last veggies even till December end or January. Look at this. All these are habaneros, jalapenos, banana peppers, and bell peppers. These are my habaneros. I'll show you. You can see it here. Look at this habaneros. So I'll be making habanero paste, which I can use in my daily cooking. You can see how much habaneros I harvested. Still so much. So I love using this in winter. I don't have to shop for any chilies or peppers at all. I have everything in my garden. And if you're seeing this jalapenos here, that's not all. Let me show you. So if you think that's all the jalapenos, no. You can see here, I have made pickles. Now I made these own pickles of jalapenos, and I have finished at least 4 jars of this. There are so many peppers, jalapenos that grow, I wouldn't know what to do, so I made pickle out of it and have at least finished 4 jars of this throughout last year, and I still have so much in my freezer and I'll be using it again. And not only this, because it was growing so much, what I did is I used a food processor to mince the jalapenos. These are the jalapenos that when had turned red, because there were so many I couldn't harvest when it was green, so I just left it when it was red, and that will give a little milder flavor, but still jalapeno is very spicy. So what I did is I minced in the food processor, and I took a cookie scoop and I just made the scoops out of it in the baking tray, and I flash froze it. And now this is so easy. I just take out of this, and whenever in my curries or whatever, I just put it, and it's so helpful for me. Like I said, I have not bought chilies for a year. So those were my veggies. Now here are my final batch of potatoes that had frozen. I had boiled them and quick boiled them, blanched them, and had freezed it. I'll be using it shortly. This is from my last year's harvest potatoes, and these are some of the last. I have all the green chilies there, the spicy Indian ones. Everything is there, all the chilies. Now you can see this. These are the green chilies that I left to turn red in the plant itself, because there was too much to harvest. I didn't know what to do, so I left it to be red, and then when it was dried, I took it off and roasted in the oven with a very low temperature, and now it turned out to be red chilies. Now I can make chili powder out of this, and I use it for soaking and using in red curries. Still the same flavor, same spiciness, but good way to store. So you can see the green chilies were not just used as I harvested, but I could store them for the winter in the dried form and in the freezer form. And not just that, if you have seen my videos, I have a lot of moringas. I dried them in the tray inside the home to retain its green color. And this is my moringa, this is my oregano, this is my basil, this is my Thai basil. Too much Thai basil grows too much. And you can see I still have bags of moringa, Thai basil, Sorry, this is gongura. I had a lot of gongura that had grown. And this is again oregano. So much, everything from my garden. The Italian basil is little because I've been using it every time, and also I was making a lot of pesto with the fresh ones. I still have this much, but with the oregano, even though I use the fresh ones, you don't make pesto or anything out of it, so I had more of them. And I was using moringa in all my curries, but still had so much of them in my garden that I stored it. And these things are so useful and really makes me happy to use them when I'm actually not shopping in the winter at all. I don't have to shop. So that's my freezer section. I just wanted to share so you all get an idea how is my cooking. My cooking is completely inspired from my garden. Do watch my channel on YouTube called Suburban Garden, which I have shared the link in my bio, and you will know what kind of recipes to expect because I cook everything that I grow, and it's completely inspired from my garden.
Do share with me how you store your veggies or herbs that you grow in your garden. Until my next video, bye.